Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Nedbank Money. We click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Nedbank Money and you click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Nedbank Money and then you can update your app if you find update in this blue sign.